Minister Narendra Modi held talks with the United Arab Emirates President Mohamed bin Zayed Al Nahyan in Abu Dhabi on Friday, during which India and the UAE signed several major agreements in defense, energy, technology, shipping and infrastructure cooperation. During the meeting, Modi said India is ready to provide all possible support for peace efforts in West Asia amid growing regional tensions. He also condemned attacks on the UAE and said the conflict in the region was having a global impact. A major highlight of the visit was the signing of a strategic defense partnership framework aimed at strengthening cooperation in military training, joint exercises, maritime security, cyber defense, intelligence sharing, advanced technology, and defense manufacturing. India and the UAE also signed important energy agreements. A deal between Indian Strategic Petroleum Reserves Limited and Abu Dhabi National Oil Company will increase the UAE's participation in India's strategic petroleum reserves to 30 million barrels and support future cooperation in LNG and LPG storage. Another agreement between Indian Oil Corporation and YDNOC will ensure long-term LPG supply arrangements for India. The agreements come at a time when tensions in West Asia have raised concerns over crude oil and gas supply routes through the Strait of Hormuz. The two countries also signed agreements to establish a ship repair center at Wadinar in Gujarat, strengthen cooperation in ports and coastal infrastructure, and promote skill development in ship repair. A separate agreement was signed between Cochin Shipyard Limited and Dubai-based Dry Docks World. In the technology sector, both sides agreed to establish a supercomputing cluster to boost India's artificial intelligence and high-performance computing capabilities. The UAE also announced investments worth $5 billion in India. The package includes possible infrastructure investments, a $3 billion investment by Emirates NBD in RBL Bank, and a $1 billion investment by UAE-based international holding company in Samman Capital. Both countries also welcomed the launch of a virtual trade corridor aimed at improving cargo movement, reducing costs and strengthening supply chain resilience. Modi's visit to the UAE was the first stop at his five-nation tour. After a brief 2.5-hour visit, he departed for the Netherlands and is also scheduled to visit Sweden, Norway and Italy. So viewers, what do you think these new India and UAE agreements could remain for the future of trade, energy and regional cooperation? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.